It's wedding planning time and we have invitations, place card settings, thank you cards, bridal brunch menus. There's paper everywhere and it's so expensive, but if you have a little bit of an imagination, you can make them yourself. So that's what we're gonna make today. So here's what you need. Glue sticks, cardstock, some twine, your laptop, pretty scissors, a phone with a camera. The most important piece of all is the pattern that you're gonna use. This is actually the wallpaper from our new house, and today we're gonna make menus out of them for the bridal brunch. The first step, after you've decided which pattern you're gonna use, is to take a good quality photo. Make sure to snap as much as you can of the full pattern and smile. I have the pattern on my laptop now and I'm just gonna sharpen the image, and I've also decided what size the menu is going to be. I'm going to use a full sheet just because it's so much easier, so there's less cutting and manipulating. I have the image here and I'm just gonna print it out. We have our beautiful pattern, our menu, and name tags. It's the fun, easy part, literally cutting and gluing like in elementary school or last week, if you're me. It's fun to cut things. Now that we have everything cut, fold the paper into thirds, take all of the menus and other inserts you're putting in, and glue them on. So I'm putting the name right on the front, so these are actually gonna double as menus and place cards. And I'm gonna put the menu section in the middle, glue the cocktail menu on, and now I'm just gonna add some twine, and there we go. Beautiful bridal brunch menus. And it was so easy to make, and we kind of have a little story to tell when people ask, where'd you get those menus? I love it and I can't wait to use it.